Hello everyone. I will be showing you how to utilize the payments screen on your Connect application. So when you come to the Connect portal, you're going to type in connect.palcofirst.com. Of course, that's how we do all the approval of timesheets and do those reviews. So if you haven't been there, that is the website that you'll use. But for today, we're going to go ahead and log in using your credentials that you have. I'll be using Apollo Creed and my own password here. So we'll go ahead and log in. All right, as you can see, pretty standard here, but you may have noticed a couple new items up here at the top, both being the payments and the spending options here. But for today, we're going to use the payments option. And what this does, as the employer or the employee will both have this option, but what this does will show you the pay stubs for all the time that you've worked and time that has been paid out. So if I, as the employer, am signing in, I click on payments here, and then I can look at all of my employees here and see what their stubs look like from that point. So I've got a couple options here with a few different employees, but we'll go to Bianca. We'll click on Bianca here, and you will also notice that you can look at these from either the past 3 months, the past 6 months, or you can just do it as a year and look at those. So if you wanted to, you could print out an entire year's worth of pay stubs. That might be useful to some people. But as we look at this, we're only going to look at the last 90 days for Bianca, and you'll notice that she has 2 checks that have been issued during that time. So the first one, you'll see this little arrow here to the left. I will go ahead and click on that, and what this is going to do is going to show me a general overview of that pay stub. So it's going to show me the earnings for the service code that I'm providing. It's also going to show me deductions here. Again, generally is what you're going to see here. You're not going to see the big picture, but it'll show you your net pay, and then it'll also show you what you've got from year-to-date earnings. So you'll see your total here and any deductions for the year as well. So again, this is a nice general view just to see, oh, payment has been issued. It shows the check number and everything, so if you're looking for that kind of information. Now, if you wanted to get a little bit more detailed information about what is on your stub and look at those deductions and see things really detailed out, what you'll do here is you'll go ahead and click on View Stub. If you have a pop-up blocker, just allow this pop-up. Most of them have an allow once option here, so I'm going to go ahead and share that. Now, as you can see, it brings up this pop-up window, and this is going to be the full check stub. So it will have all of your information here, including your ID numbers, the employer's ID numbers, Social Security number, things like that. It'll show that this was a direct deposit. Also, it will show you all of those in detail, the service codes and how many hours you provided for those service codes during this pay period. And it'll show your service dates in this section here. Again, a little bit more detailed out. It'll show you your pay rates. Where the detail really gets in there is with the tax deductions. It really breaks those down. So you'll see your federal tax, income tax here, Social Security, Medicare. You'll get to see that all broken down and out here. And so you'll be able to see not only your gross payments too, but you'll be able to see your net pay as well. And then another cool feature that you can utilize is if you would like to keep a paper record of this, you can absolutely do so. You'll just go to the top right-hand corner and press print and go ahead and print that out for your own records if you'd like. So we'll go ahead and exit out of here. And just so you know, this was an employer's view of the payments option. If an employee were to log in under their own name, they would be able to see this information, but only their information. They won't be able to see any other employee's information or anything like that. But it'll be the exact same process. You'll log in, you'll click payments, you'll go for your history, and look at the pay stubs that you are wanting to get more information about. So hopefully that taught you a little bit about how to use the payments option on the Connect portal. Have a great day.